Check it out. It's pretty sturdy. At least. I bet they're probably like, what the hell are they doing back here? Dude, check this out. They used to. They're not really doing it right now. Unfortunately. Same. We're fucking here and sorry guys, we don't mean to boast, but oh my god, we've wanted to do this for so long.
And we were not expecting to be able to be here tonight. We were actually expecting to have to go on October 23rd. Well, you were going to do the day tour, and I was going to try to go on October 23rd.
I'm still doing the day tour next week.
Yeah.
Are you coming?
I'm going to try, because I want to see the comparison. Because this one is 2 hours, the day tour is 1 hour. So, but they also let you go through the gift shop.
Right. Y'all need to get out here. They're starting tours.
They are.
You ain't got to watch us do it. You can come do it yourself. Ain't got to watch us do it.
Nope.
All right. I'm going to cut. Sorry.